welcome back to the channel, fam. We are out here today trying to get hooked up on the intercoms, but it is failing bad. So Senna, I'm telling you, might have to get some cardos. But we out here with Dragon Chi, and we out here with another rider too, so it's gonna be a good time. Stuck in this 400 traffic, fam. Here we go. It's hot. It is so hot out here when you're sitting still. Trying to get through this. I hope I don't burn through my battery, because I'm sitting still and this dumb Hero 10 loves overheating. So I mean, it's gonna get toasted here if we don't get moving here pretty soon. Forgot to charge my battery too on the when I spent my day up there. I forgot to charge all my batteries, so it's just like my batteries are all dead. I got two of them. They're probably like maybe 50% charged or something like that, so it's not much left on it. I'm gonna have to save the battery because I don't know where my other two batteries are. I know we got a little bit of a ride too, so I'm gonna save my battery for a little bit. I'll be back. All right, we are finished up with lunch over here. Met a few other riders from North Carolina. Dragon Chi behind me, and so we're gonna head up to our route now. It's gonna be so much fun. Sorry, I'm not doing a lot of talking. I'm just trying to enjoy the ride, and I have to be cognizant of the riders in front and behind me too. So like I said, I don't ride in groups too much, so when I get into groups I try to be tamed or follow the flow of the group, and so I have to do a little bit more concentrating because my bike wants to open up and the group doesn't want to open up, so I have to manage the bike like the group is riding too. So but it's like I said before, I mean, I have to keep saying it, but I do like it. It's a lot of fun coming out here riding around with people that you don't really know, that you just basically met for the first time, but you have that common ground of liking motorcycles and stuff like that. So it's really cool. That's why I like this. Partly why I like doing it is because I can meet random people. Kawasaki. Always a good view to stop in. Always. It's never a time to never a time to not stop into one of these views.
Alright, we're going to try one more time going up, and hopefully I don't hurt myself.
Fam, that is going to do it for today's video. Out here with Dragon Chi, who is behind me, beside me, new rider Joe on the his R1. Like I said, out here today running around, messing with new riders, good times always. And again, appreciate you guys coming along, watching me. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to, share, comment, all the good stuff. I appreciate you guys. See you guys here on the next one. Peace out.